Simple advice if you snore at night. Snoring can make a person really self-conscious, but in some cases, that may be the least of one's worries. In some cases, snoring issues can be a sign of a serious health problem. Snoring may indicate that a person has an underlying physical condition. Use the following tips to help find the source of snoring so it can be treated effectively. If you are a snorer, there's a chance that you are unaware of it. Always take into account your partner, as they probably have to deal with it throughout the night, so don't get angry if they complain about your snoring. This is always a good time to talk to each other and try to figure out a solution. If your snoring is growing worse, make sure that the pillow you use at night is thick enough to elevate your head. Sleeping on a pillow that does not have adequate girth will not only increase your snoring, but it will also disturb your loved ones who are trying to sleep. Do not consume dairy before going to bed. Dairy products may cause a buildup of mucus in your respiratory system, and this buildup causes snoring. Do not eat ice cream, drink milk, or consume any other dairy products before bed, and this can help you avoid snoring. If your child snores, make an appointment with your pediatrician. Nose and throat problems as well as obesity are often the cause of snoring in children. Obtaining treatment for these underlying conditions can help your child stop snoring and get a good night's sleep. In addition, serious or bothersome health problems can be corrected simultaneously. Stop smoking to stop snoring. When you inhale tobacco smoke into your lungs, irritants are produced that affect your airway and nasal membranes. The resulting inflammation causes your throat to narrow and contributes to your snoring. Try not to smoke before going to bed, or better yet, give it up altogether. Believe it or not, something as simple as a well-worn pillow can exacerbate or even create a snoring problem. If you or your partner are experiencing a snoring problem and your respective pillow is thin or worn, then consider investing in a fuller, firmer pillow. The added height can improve the angle of your neck, clearing any air obstructions. Snoring may be embarrassing and sound awful, but it may also be a signal of more serious health problems. Do not ignore these signs and go to a doctor. The tips you just read can help you diagnose and cure snoring problems so that you can get better sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.